Stop it, Crow. You're bombing my video. You're so loud. Oh! What are you doing? Hello everyone, hello my friends, welcome back to another episode. Today's gonna be a big day. We're painting. It's time to finish the exterior of this thing, get it all sealed in with paint. It'll match the house. It's a gorgeous day out today for this, so I'm gonna get right to it. Enjoy. This is pretty straightforward stuff, so yeah, there's a couple steps that I'm going through here. The first thing you see me doing is hitting all the edges with a brush, and that's this here. And that's because of the siding, the way it overlaps. You actually can't really get in there with the roller. I've tried all the different angles and stuff. So you just take a brush, put it on real heavy along all the edges. That includes the gable or the eaves, the soffits. And yeah, I'll just go through, do a full coat, cut in with the brush, get around all my trim pieces here. And once that's all done, I come back with the roller and finish off the wall. It is the second day in a row painting. I should be able to get this completely finished today. That's very exciting. But for now, we've got the tractor out again because we're digging a trench.
And there's the wire.
What's that wire to?
That power pole.
Oh. It's an old little power pole for the pool. So this is the trench that the electrical is going to run from the house. The power box is just over there. And we're almost there. It'll just feed right in here. Yeah, this is a nice little division of labor, if you will. Dad can't really climb up and down ladders and scaffolding to help me paint, so I'm doing that myself. I can't really operate the tractor with enough precision to do that job over there behind the garage. So he's doing that while I finish painting, and we're gonna have a lot of stuff done today. It's very exciting. And this is gonna be it for the exterior construction completely. We won't have anything else to do outside on the building, so this is a huge step. And there's our main power line in the trench. Comes all the way around. Just about to install that. We just used a hole saw, cut through the siding. That's a little entry box, and that's all caulked up. Just gonna get sealed against the siding.
Swap that out.
There we have it.